What's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing platform from where you can generate the best return by playing that. So you will play this game on Twitter. So all the information is given, and please don't skip any part of this project, because in next few minutes I will guide you how you can play that. It's very important. So all the details is given. And before start explaining this project, let me tell you first that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own reach, study this project, take your time. And if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So here's the detail given. So all the information is given, guys. Like get your in. So आप कैसे इसको कर सकते हैं, तो यहाँ पे इसकी information है. Incentive trainings की detail, level up, you will complete the level. So plenty of options are available in a single platform. How you will buy this, I will tell you all the details about how you can buy that. So incentive आप इस तरीके से वो भी ले सकते हैं. So plenty of options are available in this game. So that's why I decided to introduce this platform in front of my community. So each and everything is given, guys, and how you will play that, it's very important to tell you. So more than a game. So I already told you it's more than a game, because there are plenty of benefits are available when you click on this link, and when you open that, and you will be surprised to see that, because there are plenty of options are available. So next, what Xsense basically ये है क्या, तो इसकी detail भी आपको given है. You can see all the information here. You can learn more. You can get more information before start joining this game. So it's very important to verify each and everything. And you can see all the sketches and all the details. How you will purchase in store, आप इसी तरीके से store कर सकते हैं. You can buy even also and fight in the arena and win. तो आप fight कर सकते हैं और win कर सकते हैं. So links are available, and if you have any question, you can join the link and you can become the member of their community, and you will be updated with upcoming news also. So it's a perfect idea to join their community. So how you will buy that, it's very important to tell you, because buying method, it's so simple, guys. If you want to buy with one Ethereum, so you will post one Ethereum. If you want, if you have Ethereum, so let's see how much you can buy with one Ethereum. So it's balance available, so you can easily watch that. So with the one Ethereum, how much you can get. So it's very simple process. You need to connect your wallet, and I have MetaMask, so I will connect MetaMask, and after that I can easily divert my price here, like a currency like Ethereum or whatever I have. So I can easily buy from here. तो यहाँ से मैं easy तरीके से buy कर सकता हूँ. It's up to you what type of currency you have. It doesn't matter if you have Ethereum or other currency, you can easily exchange from there. तो यहाँ पे आपको कुछ कोड मिलेंगे. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं newcomers code. You can see the code also, and there are plenty of instructions and trailer available. It's only for your guideline how you can join and how you can play that. तो यहाँ से आप इजी तरीके से प्ले कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि आपको यहाँ पे पूरा जो है एक पोर्शन मिलेगा, जिस पे आप देख सकते हैं योर बैलेंस विल बी देयर, हाउ मच यू अर्न. So each and everything will be there. So you need not worry about anything, because everything is mentioned here, and it's so simple. You can spend your time by playing these games. It's a perfect idea. So guys, यहाँ से आपको copy करना कर पड़ेगा. आपको address, you have to copy the address, and you can select the currency what you have, like Ethereum है या कोई भी currency आपके पास है, तो आप इसी तरीके से यहाँ से जो है deposit कर सकते हैं. You have to connect your MetaMask or wallet, and you will convert the payment here, and you can easily buy from here. So it's a massive opportunity, and I'm sure you will grab this opportunity, and you will get more reward from here. And if you have a capability to play this game, and I'm sure you will play, and you will win this game, and you will get more reward from here. तो यहाँ से आप इसी तरीके से मार्केट की इंफॉर्मेशन भी ले सकते हैं. So plenty of details are given. तो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे claim ball on our profile. So इसकी अभी you can claim also. तो आप इसी तरीके से claim भी कर सकते हैं. ओके गाइस, ये थी सारी डिटेल. तो यहाँ से आप इसकी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो थी वो मैंने आपको प्रोवाइड कर दी. I hope so you all clear about that, and if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail related to this project. So it's my responsibility to provide you all the detail, all the guideline, how you can play that and how you can start it.